everyone, welcome to my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a very traditional dish of Kerala. It's a great combination. I want to tell it's a great combination. It's Calamari. What is Calamari, right? Kunthal, Calamari, whichever way you want to call it. The two names are exactly the same. It's with spicy bird eye chilies. Let's see the whole video for a beautiful recipe. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Let's see the video. Onto a blender, shallots, ginger, bird eye chili, garlic, vinegar, the bird eye chili marination, combine well, place a pan like this on medium heat, coconut oil is hot now, mustard seed, let it crack, urad dal, dry red chilies, stir. The spices are cooked now. Red onions, stir. Curry leaves, salt, and stir continuously. See, the onions and the spices are well cooked now, the golden in color, the fragrance are coming out. We remove the onions to a plate. When you are removing the onions, make sure you drain the coconut oil there itself, because we want to use this pan for cooking the calamari. Add the calamari. When we added that calamari, the fragrance from the bird eye chili, it's so tempting. Stir on a high heat. You can see the water from the calamari is out now. Cook till the water evaporates and the calamari is soft and juicy and all the flavor is been infused to the calamari. Stir. When you're cooking the calamari, the bird eye chili calamaris, make sure you dry like this on a slow flare now. And dry like this into a low heat. When it's dry like this, add some more coconut oil. Combine well. See now, the coconut oil is infused, all the bird eye chilies marination is infused. It's really dry now. Add the onions we sauteed before. turn off the heat and combine. I made some tapioca to go with the calamari with the bird eye chili. It's so tempting. Let's taste the calamari. The sweetness from the onion, then the calamari flavor, then the bird eye chili is spicy. It's hitting. It's a little bit of spiciness. Yes, you can reduce if you need, but it's bird eye chili, right? That's why it's called as bird eye chili. It have a unique spicy. It's a great dish, a great combo. Let's try with some tapioca. Wow. When you're trying with tapioca, it's not spicy because it's mildening the things out. It is mildening, it is mild and spicy. So, when you eat, how you eat? Joss Moses Kitchen way. It's my way. Enjoy and eat. When you enjoy and eat, don't forget to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. See you with a new recipe.